Established in 2009, Shenzhen Teng Xing Electronic Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of power adapter as well as an integrated enterprise of R&D, mass production, sales, and after-sales in Shenzhen, China. Our wide range of power adapter cover from 5 watt to 360 watt, according to the requirements of customization from customers. The output voltage is from 5 volt to 60 volt. The output current is from 0.25 ampere to 20 ampere. Our company has been in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 certification system for operation. All the products are 100% burn-in test and have passed UL, CE, FCC, ROS, PSE, SAA, ETL, CB, KC, BIS, UKCA, GS, RCM, CTIC, OEM and ODM orders are always highly welcomed. TDX's power adapter are widely applied in unmanned aerial vehicle, robot, POS system, 3D printer, communication, home appliances, monitoring, electrical equipment, audio device, massage chair, and office automation. We have dedicated teams of R&D and quality control focusing on products' quality guarantee. The strong production capacities allow fast lead time and guarantee fresh and premium products at competitive prices. With over 15 years of experience in exporting, we win high reputation from domestic and foreign clients as satisfied quality and service.